Nandita is here by taking a video on the topic alcohol and tobacco. This is a topic from class 12th biology and from the chapter human health and diseases. Okay, so already in the previous video I have covered the topic drug abuse. Okay, drug and its harmful effects, different categories of drugs, their effects, and so on. Now this is a topic alcohol and tobacco. So begin with tobacco. Everyone knows the tobacco leaves. Okay, tobacco plant, from that plant tobacco leaves, they are used and they are used in different ways. Okay, maybe that is in the form of BD or as snuff. Okay, that is taken, and tobacco, it contains nicotine, and nicotine is a powerful toxin and it has number of effect. Okay, number of effects on the human body. Okay, what are the harmful effects? Nicotine, you know, it's a powerful toxin and it stimulates adrenal gland to release adrenaline and noradrenaline. Okay, these are the hormones, and these hormones come into the blood and they increases the blood pressure. So this way it affects the human health. Okay, there are also chances of lung cancer, bronchitis, coronary heart diseases, and gastric ulcer, and many more. Tobacco chewing, it can cause cancer of oral cavity, and if it is a smoked, then it increases the carbon dioxide content in the blood and it leads to low oxygen. Okay, low oxygen binding with the hemoglobin. So tobacco, as I told you, it is also taken as snuff. Now alcohol. Alcohol, you know very well, it is obtained by the process of fermentation of cereals or any other grains, and this fermentation is done using yeast, that is, the scientific name is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Okay, and further distillation of fermentation broth. Okay, this is done and that way the alcohol is prepared, and consumption of alcohol results fatty liver syndrome, and which leads to cirrhosis of liver. Cirrhosis of liver means the liver cells are replaced by the fibers. Okay, that is cirrhosis of liver. So that is means majorly the organ which is affected is liver, and it results in lowering of blood sugar level and act as a depressant. Okay, so this is a depressant which affects the central nervous system. Now what are withdrawal symptoms? Withdrawal symptoms means what happens when a person try, means in easy words how can we learn it? If a person tries to leave this habit of taking drugs or alcohol or tobacco, whatever, okay, so there develop some kind of symptoms, and that symptom is called as the withdrawal symptom. Okay, so the addicts depend, you know very well, those who are addicted of taking all this. So addicts, they depend largely on the drugs and other substances physically and mentally. And whenever these drugs or substances are not available to addict, okay, or he wants to leave this habit, then he shows unpleasant withdrawal symptoms, and symptoms like vomiting, shivering, diarrhea, perspiration, muscular cramps. Okay, many more are there. So, excuse me. So these are the symptoms, withdrawal symptoms, and under proper treatment these symptoms can be gradually reduced and the body becomes normal. Means if someone tries to leave such habits. So these develop, but if person is under treatment, then this can be minimized or reduced. Now, what are the effects of alcohol or drug abuse? It leads to reckless behavior, violence. Excessive doses can lead to coma and may lead to death. There is change in sleeping and eating habits, lack of interest in hobbies, withdrawal and isolation from family and friends. So these are the general effects. Now, what are the causes? What are the causes um, means of drug abuse or alcohol abuse? Why the people take? क्यों वो ड्रग या अल्कोहल लिया करते हैं? What are the reasons? क्यों लिया करते हैं? So it may be curiosity, because of curiosity or need for adventure or excitement, experimentation, or to escape from stresses. Okay, or one may be reason, this is unsupportive family structure. This also can be a reason. Now, what are the preventive measures? Means prevention and control, how it can be prevented. Okay, so some of the measures are here, like avoid undue peer pressure. Peer pressure also we can avoid, and by educate and counseling to face problems and stress and to accept failures and disappointments as part of life. Means one should make realize that if there is a failure, okay, or there are disappointments, then these are the part of life and it should be accepted. Okay, so it can be by counseling, it can be done. Seeking help from parents and peers, looking for danger signals, it would help in the initiating proper remedial steps or treatment, or one can go for professional and medical help. Okay, so this is all about the tobacco, alcohol, and preventing controls for drug abuse and all. Okay, thank you.